Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're out here at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Oh wow, Forest River Puma, they have got it going on. And this is a 2026 Forest River Puma, model number 220FK. So let's get started. The length on this Puma is 25 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 6,078 pounds with a hitch weight of 770. GVWR of 7,600 pounds. Wow, let's get started. And that's right, I'm by myself. Amanda is over in Scotland with our son. I hope they are having a wonderful, wonderful trip. Right up front, like I said, your power tongue jack, your bottles, your batteries will go right back here. Now there is a drawback to having a front kitchen. Here's some outside storage. Okay. All right, so right off the bat, not a whole lot when you get a front kitchen. You do have a rack and pinion slide right here. And another rack and pinion slide right there. And you do have a little bit under here. This is going to be under your bed, so that might just absolutely make up for it. Let's see if I can back up and get us a side view. Wow, that means this is a small camper. That's got a lot of features on it. Here's your dump area right here. Back in the back, you do have a spare tire. This is a 50 amp camper. City water connection is right back here. You do have a ladder. Your awning is, I don't know. They did not give me an awning size. So hopefully check down the description. I will have that information. Your black tank flush is over on your campsite. You do have Quick Connect is right back here by the bumper. You do have electric stabilizers. You can bring a TV out. Fresh water up here. A tankless water heater. All right, folks, let's go in and check out this little front kitchen Puma. All right, stepping inside. Go back over here while I'll spin us around. Wow, this is really good. All right, folks, first thought, what do you think about this little front kitchen? All right, you got a 40-inch TV. You got all your sound bar right there. There's your plug-in, all this counter space, your chairs. I don't know if they put a plug-in under here. I don't see one. Well, you got a heating vent right here in the cabinets, but there's one right there in the floor. All right, we got a little bit bigger microwave, and it is a built-in convection microwave oven with air fryer. All right. Hood range, 3-burner cooktop with your oven. And let's see if we can go ahead and open up some of these cabinets right here. And if you can tell on the screen, you've got some little indirect lighting under here. That's really cool. And there's your storage on this side, and then it goes back there in the back. All right. Up front, nice windshield. You do have a pull-down blackout shade. We've got cabinet space up at the top. Plug in over here. Nice counter space all the way across. Nice sink with your cutting board. And nice spot to put a garbage can right there under the sink. We've got a couple of drawers right here. Got a plug-in right here beside the sink. And looks like your pantry area is right here. Really, really nice. Right there. And that is open to that outside also. Okay, as we're looking at the slide box, we got the fridge right here. It is a 12-volt compressor fridge with freezer at the top. In your slide, nice theater seating right there with your hidden storage right there. We've got some storage up above the top. Let's see, what else we got? We've got some USB, USB, and even a light switch. Over here by the door, your first AC control is right there. You've got your control panel, your slide button right there. And speaking of AC, it is right there. All right, as we're moving into the bedroom. Queen size bed. We've got looks like a little shelving area right back here on each side with USB, USB-C, and a little storage up atop. Let's check the under the bed out. And there's that storage that meets the outside. Okay. As I spin you back around, your fuse box is right here in your bedroom. You've got hanging storage right here to hang clothes. And we've got a couple of drawers right there. We've got a spot here. Shelves under there. And we've got another one right there. And if you want to add a TV, you do it right there. TV backer, there's your plug-in and your cable outlet. Now, this box, which hangs over, that's right, you've got room to put a combo unit right here. Wow. Power, got a light. Nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Another sliding door. Here's your bathroom. 30 by 36 shower right here. You do have a little small fan. Got a hook there. Plastic toilet. As we're spinning around, we've got a mirrored medicine cabinet right here. And some linen storage all the way down. That is really sharp. And a little storage under the sink. Nice sink area. Plug in right back in the back. And if you need 20% off of liquefied, check out the description in this video. All that information will be there. All right, everybody. Oh, there's your little butt napkin holder. All right, everybody. What do you think about this little short Puma with the front kitchen? And before I sign off, I meant to show this. This is in the bedroom. There you go. You can put the second AC in the bedroom, because both of your controls, because you already have the control, is right here on the wall. So one of these is for the bedroom, and then one is already for this kitchen area. Wow. All right, everybody. What do you think about this little Puma with this nice little front kitchen? Dealerships Dealership's information is down in the description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. That's right, give us that thumbs up. Thanks everybody.